Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to update email address on Ledger. So updating your email on this app depends on whether you still have access to your current email or not. So if you still have access to your current email, you will be able to change it and the easiest way. Okay, so actually guys, you will need just to go and tap your profile at the top right. Okay, and then you will need to go with the settings here, or you can just go with edit profile. So if you can't see this option right here, just tap on the settings and go with profile and personal details here. Okay, so it's the same option as you can see. And now you will need just to tap on the email field here or blank, and then just remove it and enter your new email address. Then just tap on saved option that is located at the top right of the menu. Okay, and this updated your email directly from your account settings. So now if you don't have the access to your current email, you want to be able to change it yourself. So you only just contact the support of this app and tell them that your old email, or mention it and mention your new email, and they will verify your account and update it manually. So this is required for security reasons. So it's important to know that you usually can't change email directly inside the mobile app, and most changes are done by the web account page, and that was actually on the previous versions. So right now you can edit everything on the app. So some users may need support help depending on how the account was created. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.